channel again. Today we have got a 200 TDI in, which is a bit different. I'll just spin this round. She's a bit of a concoction, this one. She was a 110, she's now a 100-inch converted. Lots and lots of custom bits. Bit interesting. It's one of them that when you look round it for the first time, you look round it again and you see more and more bits that's been done to it. It's quite impressive, to be honest, this one. Yeah, it's really nice rig, custom paintwork, shortened by 10-inch. It's, yeah, quite a rig, and a bit of myself, this one, to be honest, so it'd be interesting to see what we get out of it. Okay, so first run, just turn around, looking at the graph, really quite smooth. She's done 326 Newton meters and 117.1 horsepower. Now the customer says it has already been played with, so it's not entirely standard. So we'll have a play with it, see if we can get it a bit cleaner, and go from there, see what she makes. Okay, so we've removed the top of the fuel pump, as we usually do, and we've pulled the fuel pin out, and we've found that there is a very, when the camera wants to focus, deep groove, as you can see, in this fuel pin. So this is a cheap eBay special, and what happens is the fuel pin starts to actually dig in and carve a groove, which is not good because then they jam. And that certainly doesn't do her any good. So we're going to fit one of our boost pins, which is hardened and doesn't do that. So we'll get this fitted, and then we'll do a few more tweaks and we'll go from there. Just having a tweak on the fuel pump. What we're adjusting at the moment, William?
Just the idle screw.
Cool. Just bringing it down, it was a bit high, wasn't it? So you're having to go back through what's already been tweaked.
Yeah, to start again, basically.
Yeah. Well, I should say it's probably easier if it hasn't already been messed with.
Right.
Oh, somebody's attacked that with something, haven't they?
Yeah.
Does sound like a sweet engine though, to be honest.
Yeah. It seems to do really good torque as well.
Yes. Well, this is genuine 200 TDI.
Friendly, yeah, the turbo on top.
And he reckons it was about 80,000.
Really?
Yeah, so this should make good
had
power. I mean, it certainly feels nice to drive.
Torquey.
Yeah, very, very low down torque, but loses it top end a bit. It is actually one of the cleaner 200 TDIs that I've seen.
It doesn't like it's done a lot, does it?
No, not at all. It's a very clean machine, this, to be honest. Very clean. It's running custom Discovery 2 alloys. Axles, sorry. It's she's had all sorts on this. It's a bit of a concoction, but a bit of best of all worlds, really. Right, we'll get her buttoned up and give her another run. run, you can see previous line is the thin line. And on the torque. So we've got 350.6 Newton meters on the torque and 127.5. So only small gains at the moment, but we have only touched the fuel pump at the moment. So we shall make some more tweaks and see if we can squeeze some more horses. Okay, so that run, just by altering the throttle pedal, we got a bit more response, and we got it from 125 to 135 just by altering the throttle, and 355 Newton meters of torque. So we'll try a couple more tweaks and we'll see if we can get some more. So, as always, thin line is what it came in as. With a couple of tweaks here and there, we have managed to get 137.5 horsepower and 353.8 Newton meters of torque. As you can see on the graph, like I say, thin line is when it came in, as opposed to the thicker line as what we've just achieved. So,
A lot better.
yeah, a lot better than it was.
Revving out a lot smoother as well, rather than just dropping off.
Yeah. Yeah, she pulls a lot more constant now, so
Give her a road test.
we'll give her a roadie and yeah, go from there. Right, taking her out for a spin. She drives pretty nice, to be honest. Usually the old 200s are a bit rattly, but I think the gentleman's done a nut and bolt restore on this and he's done a very good job.
Definitely feels smoother.
A lot smoother.
It sounds well, doesn't it? A little bit smoky, we might just have to do a little tweak. Yeah, I think we'll give it another little tweak, but it's a lot better, isn't it?
Loads better. He said he was struggling to see 50 mile an hour up and hill,
Yeah.
whereas it just cruised up there at 60. And I still had plenty more under my foot, to be
Yeah.
honest, so.
Does sound a good engine in this one.
It does. Been a while since I've seen an LT77 gearbox.
I know, yeah. They're getting old now.
You don't see many of them, do you?
No.
It's all R380.
Yeah.
Whether it be new or old.
I think,
Take it back to the
yeah,
workshop.
give it a little tweak
give her
and
a little tweak and
see what the customer thinks, can't we?
yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, I think we're well happy with that.